Hello YouTube people, I'm doing a video of the Jam Night pedal, not board, but pedal bag, because I didn't have time to put the pedal board together, so I just went with the good old one spot there, and that's the Black Star HG Studio 20 right there, and it's buzzing away nicely. I like that. And so I put the wah on, that's a tuner, the LPD 68 Deluxe with the LPD Vermin or Rat thing, the Super Fuzz, the BB Soul Vibe Rotary Simulator, the Tremor Optical Tremolo, the dual speeds, the Arena Hall of Fame Arena version 2 electronic reverb pedal, and then the MXR Analog Chorus going mono, freak out pedal, double decker delay with short and long delays, and that's it. Playing my blacktop Strat with the Alnico 4 humbuckers in there and the Gretsch. Tonight we got a Firebird bass. I quit! Playing the game. My brother Andrew's like, I don't know what kind of Ibanez this is. It's an Ibanez EX series. And that's his amp there. And then it's Joe's 40th birthday! Yay, Joe! Happy birthday!